Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the chili plants of my house loaded with chilies. See, I was waiting the chilies to turn red, then I'll make the video. Now some of the chilies I have turned red. See, actually it's a healthy well grown plant. Normally the chili plants, what I have heard, is of the height 2 feet around, but it is approximately 7 feet of height. See the chilies? The new flowers are also there. They will also turn into chilies. See the smaller one? See? So cute, na? Beautiful. These one. And that one hidden. This is one is red. That is turning red. And that green one is also there. See some on the top of the plant, if you can see these. See, so cute, new babies. In 2-3 days I'll harvest them, then again I will make one more video. So guys, if you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Nice commenting. If you love nature, I'll keep in touch with you. Thank you.